If you're looking for a combination of glamour and high performance in a series production car, it doesn't get better than this, the Ferrari 812 GTS. When it was launched in 2019, it became the first series production front-engine convertible with a V12 produced by Ferrari in 50 years. Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Exotic Cars on DubiCars. In today's video, we're going to be talking about something extraordinary, the Ferrari 812 GTS. It is a masterpiece by the Italian car manufacturer, and we're going to be diving deep into the design and performance. So buckle up and let's get right to it. The first thing that strikes you is its unmistakable Ferrari styling. Its sleek lines, aggressive stance and aerodynamic features set it apart on the road. Up front there are sharp design lines, vents, slats and aerodynamic elements that not just look great but also aid the car's performance at high speeds. Under the long bonnet lies a masterpiece, but we'll get to that in just a bit. Move over to the side and the sleek looking 10-spoke 20-inch alloy wheels grab your attention immediately. And then there are design lines that add to the character of the GTS. Now these are not just design lines, but they're actually aerodynamic channels to allow air from the front wheel well to flow out the side and give it a more aerodynamic posture at high speeds. Even the door handles are aerodynamic in shape. Beneath this cover lies the hardtop and its folding mechanism as well, and Ferrari has managed to make this look stylish too. And then we move over to the rear where we see more of those design elements. Get to the rear, you see the Ferrari badging, the Italian flag, the prancing horse moniker, and then you get to the aero bits. You've got a nice big diffuser made of carbon fiber at the bottom. Of course, who could miss the quad exhaust outlets? Now those pipes, they make that V12 engine sound glorious. Those pipes also emulate the tail lamps, which are circular in design. Exquisite is the word that comes to mind. The GTS is a car that combines luxury and performance, and it is quite evident inside the cabin. It creates an atmosphere that is both luxurious and performance oriented with its attention to detail, luxurious materials, and there is a lot of ergonomically designed elements in here as well. The roof can be opened or closed in just 14 seconds, and it can be done while driving at speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour. The leather-clad seats provide excellent support, ensuring comfort even during spirited driving. The flat-bottom steering wheel, the aluminum pedals, the carbon fiber paddle shifters, and this pillar with the launch control on it all tell you that you are in a hardcore performance car. Now we get to what is under the bonnet of the Ferrari 812 GTS, and that is also what makes it exotic, because this is the last naturally aspirated V12 engine that Ferrari will ever make without any hybrid assist, and that to purists is just music. It is a 6.5 litre V12 engine that produces an exhilarating 789 horsepower and 718 Newton meters. The sound of this engine roaring to life is nothing short of symphony to petrol heads. One rev is more than enough to convince you of the supremacy of naturally aspirated V12 engines. It is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox, and drive is sent to the rear wheel only. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds and will go on to a top speed of 339 km per hour. There's no doubt that the Ferrari 812 GTS is a marvel of engineering and design. It combines the thrill of open-top driving with the performance prowess that a Ferrari delivers. In addition, it might just be the last of Ferrari's V12 era, and that is what sets it apart for us. If it made you drool as much as we did, go ahead and find this Ferrari 812 GTS from Ain Class Motors on DubiCars. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. And that's it from us for now. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.